Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ferrari FXX-K. Honestly, I don't know the terminologies, but this is what it says. Okay, so this is 1:64 scale and this is by Tomica from their premium series. So I really liked, the way they actually put the spoiler and everything in this car. So I went ahead and bought it. I think I have this in Buburago as well, that 1:36 scale. They released that Ferrari signature series. I bought, except for super fast, I bought everything in that series. You know, so I think one among that is this one. Let me, yeah. Okay. You can see the Ferrari, official product logo here, licensing thing. Okay, let's unbox it without any further delay because I want to see how this one actually looks for a premium. The Tomica usually does premiums really very well. So we did unbox the F40, if you guys remember. That was a beautiful casting. Even though I'm not a big fan of Ferrari, I did buy that because they, Tomica made it really beautiful. So I actually bought it. And I did unbox of, I think, Ferrari Italia, I guess, sometime back. I think a year back or so. That is also a beautiful one. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, so headlights are painted, so I don't see much of a issue with paint job. Okay, can see the logo. I mean FXXK, that logo here. The rim, the wheels are actually unique to this particular car. Full metal body, plastic chassis, and the scale is 1:64. And let me see this part. Okay, so this part, the spoiler here, that is plastic, that is not metal. And you can see the Ferrari logo here, and man, the engine detailing here, which is really nice. The interior also looks really nice, but it feels very light. It is not heavy. You can see the grille details here, that is also really nice. Okay, wow, that is honestly, that looks really beautiful from the rear. I mean, you can see that tail light, the exhaust details here, and it has the prancing horse logo here, and the grill details here also looks really beautiful. I mean, they really did good with this particular casting. Okay. Okay, so this part here is plastic, that is not metal. So rest everything here is metal, and again it is very light. Let's see. So my personal favorite is the engine detailing here, that is so nice. Let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension. Okay, I'm expecting around 33-34 grams or max to max 35. Let's see. Okay, 31 grams. Good. So the paint job and everything looks really nice. It has this Italy's flag here. I think these are supposed to be air intake, I guess. I need to see the 1:36 version of this particular car. I do have that one, correct. Yeah, I do have this in black color with, I think, golden livery in Burago. Yeah, that is 1:43. It sits on that side actually, inside a box. I can able to see that. So I need to see whether this one is actually, yeah, they also painted this part here. So this is supposed to be paint only, it seems. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Let me just move it here a little bit. Okay, it is getting stuck here. Let me pull this mat a little bit on this side and see. Because of it is okay. When it comes here, it is, as you can see, it is getting stuck. Okay, again here it is getting free. I'm not sure what to do. I can't break the track. Okay, let me just revert it to the old place so the light will fall a little bit better. Okay, so let's do a roll test here in the mat as we normally do. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. The rear wheel wobbles a lot. Front wheel not so much, but it does have a wobble. Again, I'm not going to play with this any point in time, but the detailing and everything looks really beautiful. And if you want this particular car in this particular scale, I mean, for affordable price, this is going to be a best option for you. So I personally like the casting, even though I don't like, I mean, Ferrari that much. This gorgeous casting by Tomica. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.